Alright guys, 1982 Honda Nighthawk. We're gonna do the oil change. So that's the filter location here. Bolt is from the driver's side right here. Okay, that's a 17 millimeter. Yeah, that's really bad. And same thing, 17 millimeter. That thing loose. The model number is KN401. That's the one for the 1982 Honda Nighthawk 750. That's out. There you go. Make sure that the mating surface is clean. So we got the filter housing. So you push this through, this metal part, see? And the bolt comes out. Yeah, just like that. Pair the parts. Make sure they're the same. It goes either way, it doesn't matter. We're gonna remove the gasket. Just anything sharp. We're gonna spray inside. Inside. So we're gonna remove the gasket from the bolt. I clean the bolt out. I use one of these X-Acto blades and just put it in there and pop it out. This is gonna come off. Thing is out, just spray it up a bit. In the pack, you're gonna get the gaskets. Just dip it in the oil. Just a bit of oil, lube it up. That's it. Same thing with the bigger gasket. We're gonna lube it up. Put it around it. You're gonna put this through. The spring goes next, doesn't matter which way. I'm gonna lube this too. Lube the inside, lube the top. The top, inside, other side. Put it inside, it should slide in perfectly centered. There you go. Just like that. Alright, so everything is cleaned out. And install it back. The slot in the middle, you have to make sure it's lined up. So like you're putting in the right direction. We already put some in before. They're gonna check with a dipstick. Okay, so it's at the lower level, you see. I'm gonna add a little bit more.